Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to another fashion designer lifestyle video. I am your host, keambranequal, and today we are getting into our late fall winter sewing series. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Applause. Yes. So I decided to just go ahead and do my sewing series like I've been doing and showing you guys, my whole process of how I come up with my idea, the fabrics that I will be choosing or using, and just taking you guys along the process. And honestly, I'm a little late. Okay. I'm a little late to the party. I know I should have been doing this around the summertime. I started in I think about September or August on this coat. I started on this coat a week ago, and it has been giving me some issues with the embroidery. My embroidery machine was acting up, and all I needed to do was change the needle. Bummer, but yeah. It took me a good little minute to try to figure out what it was. I started buying thread. Was changing my needles out because I did have needles that came with the machine, but they wasn't working. So I had to go to the fabric store and just buy a whole pack of new embroidery needles. And so yeah, now my embroidery machine works. And then on top of that, guys, I will be showing you guys I want to do some sewing tutorials on some of these projects because I will be using some commercial patterns for some of these fabrics. And all of these fabrics were purchased from the thrift store. So everything is very cheap, but great quality. When I tell y'all the quality of this material or these materials are superb, okay? I mean, you wouldn't even think that any of these have come from the thrift store. But anyway, enough of me talking about my fabrics. We'll get into that later. I wanted to talk about, oh my gosh, I just lost my train of thought. Hold on, wait. Okay, so not only am I going to be doing, honestly, my whole focus for this wardrobe series is to make great outerwear pieces or durable outerwear essentials that I can wear with, like, all of my garments, all of my outfits. Girl, I got enough clothes. I have enough clothes. I need enough jackets. I need enough outerwear pieces that I can, wear while it's cold. It's cold. And I'm thinking about going somewhere where it's colder. So I need to be ready. Okay. So I do have some commercial patterns that I am thinking about. I don't think I'm gonna get through them all, but we will try, and I will be using some of these patterns with some of these looks, or I mean some of these fabrics. So I'm gonna try to give you guys a little visual of, how I'm gonna use the fabrics and how they're gonna correlate with the pattern. So yeah, let's get into the fabrics. I don't want to bore you guys any longer because y'all know y'all attention span is very low. But make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and hype me up. Hype me up. Hype me up. Hey, hype me up. Make sure y'all hype me up, okay? Okay. Okay, so the first fabric that I will be using is, I will say the first two because I'm gonna make these reversible. I'm gonna make a reversible trench coat, a long trench coat. I think it's gonna be floor length. I'm gonna extend it. I'm gonna show you guys the pattern in just a second. Give me a minute. But I want to talk about the fabric. This is this beautiful suede green, like a evergreen material. Hold on, let me put y'all right here on my shirt so that I can multitask. Okay, so it's this evergreen, or I don't know, like a minty green, but it's very muted. Gorgeous. I think that is beautiful. Beautiful. So I will be using this, and I'm gonna mix it with this beautiful suede camel color. which I think is absolutely gorgeous, and I think they will pair so well together. And I want it to be reversible, but girl, I think I'm gonna do way more altering or way remixing to this coats because y'all know once I get into the process, things change. So this is a pattern that I will be using, the Butterwick B6720. And I will be using the long one, but I'm gonna extend it out all the way to the ankle. I think that will be gorgeous, 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 girl. Okay. And then I'm still contemplating on what I want to do with these. Oh, and y'all remember those boots? Hopefully, I'm trying to see if I'm gonna actually upload this just how it is. But if I don't, if I edit the video, then you guys will see in the cutaway those boots. I don't know who was it. It's not Mew Mew. I think it's Mason Margiela. Those boots, y'all know what I'm talking about. Those boots that went viral. They like camel toe looking boots. Like they look like camels. And like it's like there's no arch in the front of the boot. So it's like from the toe and it's going all the way up. I think that will be so crazy with this trench coat. And they have dupes. They have dupes on Amazon, girl. They already in my cart. So, and I don't know what I want to do with this one just yet. I'm thinking about doing either because I was thinking about doing a long. Oh, that might be cute, huh? See, I wanted to use this pattern and make a long trench. Well, it's not a trench coat, but it'll be like this blazer, but it's long all the way to my ankles or whatever, or floor length or whatever you want to call it, ankle length. A jacket, but I'm still thinking about it, trying to see. I think I want it to be hourglass, like that hourglass type of jacket with this and a floor length. Perfection, okay? But girl, I need to put a little pep in my step. That's my problem. I got a little corduroy here. I don't know what I want to do with this. This is a beautiful. I love this. Look, y'all see the sheen on that? Look at that. Beautiful, 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 beautiful sheen. I love the color. The same as the other one, but it has like more so this gold undertone to it. Love it. I don't know. Maybe a skirt. Don't really know what I should do with it. Some shorts. I don't know yet. It's just here. It's just, girl, it's just here. And then for this one, girl, I've been trying to pull out this fabric, this right here, fur fabric for so long. I'm gonna do maybe like a jogger set, not a jogger set, but a sweatsuit set, like a plunging V-neck, like how this is. This jacket right here. I mean, not jacket, but this the sweatshirt and some jogger pants, maybe like a little set together. I think will be cute if I have enough fabric. If I don't have enough fabric, then I'm gonna probably do joggers. I'm gonna do joggers first. And then for this one, oh, I'm trying to figure out, okay, I want this. Originally I said I'm gonna make a sweater with this one or something, or was it gonna be a top? Either a top and a skirt, because this right here, this fabric right here is reversible, and you see it has polka dots on the front, and then you flip it over, it has stripes. So I was thinking like, ooh, a sweater vest, a fitted sweater vest would be cute. And then when I seen this fabric, I was like, oh, this is cute. Like all of these together to make like some type of color blocking something. And then so I was like, why not? I why not make a sweater? And I think that would be so fun and so cute. Hold on, wait, let me go on. Yeah, and I have to be on this side because the lighting is on this side. But I will be using the M7476 McCall's pattern. And I want to use this one right here. Yeah, a long sweater. This is really gonna be a sweater dress. So I feel like I'm just getting my bang for my like. I'm getting what I wanted, basically, a sweater dress. But I don't know. I might end up trying to see. I might end up doing this as the sweater, and then this as maybe something else, some leggings or shorts or something to go up under it. You know, if it's cold. Or I was honestly, girl, we're gonna see when we get there. Okay, we'll see when we get there. But we're using these two together. And then so I'm thinking about using these two together, maybe a skirt and like there are knit fabrics, very thick knits, very nice. I mean, great quality cotton knit fabric. And then this rib knit sweater material. I'm thinking about making like a turtleneck top and then a skirt. And do it like a little monochrome, a little fit or whatever, because I do have some fabric. I do have some fabric, which I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on, wait. Hold on, let me show y'all. Okay, so I do have this fabric that I can make a jacket out of that I got from the thrift store. So I can do a jacket and then do those two together. Girl, if I'm lucky, because like I said, I'm not trying to run out of time. So it might just be it might just be a garment for next year. Who knows? But I pursue to keep going. Like my whole goal is to keep going as much as I can. Okay, so the next fit or the next look will be this satin material and this cow print. Um, it's some type of faux hide material. I think it's so gorgeous. I don't know. Maybe I might make a purse out of it and a skirt. I'm thinking about a skirt. I really want to do a line skirt out of this or like some type of pants, like the harem pants. Y'all know the harem pants has been a thing, and then a corset maybe. I don't know. Yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Would that be cute? Or corset with some harem pants? I think maybe. And then my last thing or my last project, I don't know if it's gonna be the last thing or what. We're trying to figure this out, right? Okay, so I have came up with a pattern for a Suno bag, a Suno hobo bag, which I feel like is very essential to my wardrobe. And yeah, girl, once I get the pattern together and get it digitized, that so that it can, you guys can download it and do the sewing tutorial with me, then we're gonna do that. But yeah, some of these, like I said, some of these are going to be sewing tutorials. Oh, I'm really trying to see because I really want to make this. Really want to make this, and I still haven't bought any fur fabric for this one, this pattern yet. So these three are on my list. I'm thinking about using, but I feel like I wanted to do a wool material, like a wool-like material for this cape. When I tell y'all this cape is so gorgeous, I said, girl, give here. I need me a cape. And then it's a cape. Girl, first of all, it's the cape with the high neck. I was thinking about this, but I was like, this is cotton. Like it's flimsy and I don't think it's gonna work. So we're gonna wait on that. Ooh, ooh. I'll make a mess. Okay. All right, so yeah, this concludes my video. Let me show you guys what I'm working on right now. Okay, so I'm working on this color blocking suede bomber jacket or whatever you want to call it. And oh, when I tell y'all, it's coming out so great, so amazing. And I can't wait to get done with it and show you guys the end results. I know I started on my sewing series before I even introduced it, but y'all, I wasn't thinking about doing it. That's why I have not showed you guys this process, but I was like, you know what? Let's show the girls what we got going on. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep this sewing series going. I started it, so why not just keep going with it? And so, yeah, this is what I'm working on right now. And guys, I thank you so much for supporting me and being here on my journey with me. And I hope you guys stay and continue to, ride this ride with me. And I'm not perfect. I know I mess up sometimes. I know sometimes I make promises, broken promises, and I'm trying to get better at that. And I can admit my faults, okay? But with God, all things are possible. All things are possible. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep striving, and no matter what, I will not give up. This is my God giving destiny, okay? This is my God given destiny. So I thank you guys so much for watching. Y'all be blessed. Shalom and have a blessed day. Peace. Bye.